This 2025 Palomino Columbus is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Palomino is 42 feet 10 inches in length and features sleep 6, leveling jacks, slide-out, awning, TV, oven, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, spare tire kit, air conditioning, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Palomino Columbus is 15,249 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.